All right, so today I'm in Wisconsin, Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Had a couple guys that needed to pick up a jet today, so they needed a ride, and I took them. We do have a bit of an issue on the way home here, though. We've got a line of storms, so we may need, if those don't dissipate, we may need to divert, or we might be able to find a hole through it, but we may need to stop in Grand Rapids and let those keep pushing. So we're going to see how it progresses. I just flew through it, but this line of storms just kind of crept up here. So we're going to see how quickly those push through, and we will make a determination what we want to do around there. But I just flew through this. It was nothing, just some rain. Yeah, so I just picked up my clearance, just did my pre-flight, did all the stuff. We're going to go direct VIX over the water, 11,000 feet, and yeah, see what we see.
And ground Cirrus 524 Charlie Charlie. We're at Hawthorne. We have Foxtrot ready to taxi.
Cirrus 524 Charlie Charlie, Eau Claire, ground runway 4, taxi via Bravo 3 Alpha, cross runway 32 at Alpha.
Runway 4, Bravo 3 Alpha, and cross runway 23 at Alpha 524 Charlie Charlie. 32, that is, sorry.
Yeah, they were picking up a Citation. They're flying back to Pontiac too, and they're picking up a Citation 3. It's a cool plane. It's a 1990. It's a little old. Got to go in it, but you can stand almost in it. You can stand up in it. At least my 5'7" can. It had a bathroom, but the flight deck was pretty antiquated. But yeah. What happens when you tell people like, "Hey, I'll fly you around. I'm trying to build ours." He called me last minute. He said, "Hey, do you want to fly us to Wisconsin?" I said, "Sure."
And Tower Cirrus 524 Charlie Charlie. We are holding short of runway 4.
Five two four Charlie Charlie, Eau Claire Tower, hold short runway 4.
Holding short runway 4, 524 Charlie Charlie.
All right, well, this will be an adventure. Come with me. I don't know what to expect, to be honest. But I'm not adverse to diverting for a period of time. Apogee where I can.
Cirrus 4 Charlie Charlie, runway 4, wind 070 at 6, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Runway 4, clear for takeoff, proceed on course, 524 Charlie Charlie.
Oh, last checks here, that's good. That's good, that's good. Go into nav mode actually, because we're gonna go on course. Nobody's on final, flaps 50%, boost pumps on, mixtures rich. Runway 4 is outside and inside. Feet to the floor. It's 400 feet, let's turn on course.
Cirrus 4 Charlie Charlie, proceed on course, contact departure, have a good flight.
On course, departure, 4 Charlie Charlie, we'll see you.
Maps is available. Let's go autopilot on nav mode at 4,000 feet. Oh, I had 2,400 in there, or 2,500. And sync our heading bug. Check all this. Done, 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 done.
Minneapolis Center, Cirrus 524 Charlie Charlie, 2,200 climbing 4,000.
524 Charlie Charlie, Minneapolis, maintain 11,000.
I maintain 11,000, 524 Charlie Charlie.
All the way up. So we're going into it.
Charlie Charlie, descend about, pressure maintain 5,000.
5,000, 524 Charlie Charlie.
I slowed up.
Center 4 Charlie Charlie, for you, there's some light to moderate precipitation, 12 o'clock to about 1 o'clock, starts at about, say 90 miles. It's moving east, north, eastbound. If you want to vector to the south, I can do that, or if you just want to maneuver, that's up to you, just let me know.
Copy that, 524 Charlie Charlie.
This moving at a pretty good
Number
clip.
4 Charlie Charlie, so you're just entering some, a little bit of moderate precipitation, only extends about 3 miles on your current route. How's it looking there?
Yeah, it's just light precip right now, light to moderate, 4 Charlie Charlie.
Yeah, it's maybe close to heavy precip, moderate to heavy, a little bouncy.
Got 5474, flight heading 070 vector, so yeah, let's 23 at that.
I definitely don't want to fly through that. But I'm in the clear right now. Yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing out the window. I think this return's pretty old because
Ryanair 7552 and Scott 5603 inbound to Flint. The newest ATIS isn't out just yet, but the weather just came up, and it's the wind 280 at 14, gust 26, visibility 10 miles, with light rain, dew clouds 3,900, and ceiling 6,500 broken. Temperature 17, 2.13.
okay, good. So Flint just cut their ATIS, and again the winds, but it's right down the pipe.
7552 again. If you need to deviate to the left, that's the cruise request. I'll show you just on the front edge of that cell there. And then, yeah, just let me know how it looks as you get further southbound.
Speed up a little bit now.
Yeah, I was about to ask you if we could deviate us a little bit to the left.
No, 7552, Roger. If you want, I can give you a heading, or if you just want to deviate to the left, that's cruise request. Just let me know.
Yeah, we'll take we'll be deviating left, and we'll do about a 180 heading, just a little bit of a turn.
All right. There's 4 Charlie Charlie. Between you and Pontiac, there's some heavy precipitation, and pretty much 20 to 25 miles straight ahead. And just I guess advise intentions, or if you need deviations, let me know.
Yeah, 4 Charlie Charlie, we might head southbound for a little bit now, if you can give me a vector.
For 4 Charlie Charlie, yeah, that probably sounds good. For now, flight heading 150, and Detroit approach might have a better option as you get there, but 150 on the heading, keep you to the south of that weather that I can see.
All right, 150, 524 Charlie Charlie, thanks.
And it is moving east the whole storm, so just, yeah, a little bit of delay vectors to the south might be just all you need, but again, Jay, if you need anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, great. I'm hoping to slip in after it passes through 4 Charlie Charlie.
5474, just to maintain 3,000.
Yeah, good. Nice, got a good visual here. I can see it all there. We'll just kind of track south of this and then come back around as it pushes through. Cool. This is nice and clear over here. And if I have to even hold a little bit, it's really clear over here. That other cell's quite a ways. I can stay in this little bubble while that passes through.
We're 4 Charlie Charlie, contact Detroit approach on 132.35 and just give them a heads up of what you plan to do.
3235 will do, 4 Charlie Charlie. D, chart approach, Cirrus 524 Charlie, Charlie. We're on a 150 heading at 5,000.
Cirrus 524 Charlie, Charlie, Detroit approach, advising you of Romeo, expect visual approach, runway 27 left.
We have Romeo and we'll expect a visual 27 left, 524 Charlie, Charlie.
Charlie's area of heavy precipitation from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock in 10 miles. It's a line 60 miles long. There's a gap of light to moderate precipitation at your 1 o'clock and 15 miles. Try to see how that progresses as you get closer.
4 Charlie, Charlie, Roger. How about, could I do 360 right now just to delay, because I'm looking out the window right now, there's just some right in front of me, but I think if I do one turn I can have that window.
November 4 Charlie, Charlie, proceed as requested. November 4 Charlie, Charlie, Roger, center maintain 3,000. Still heavy precipitation, 12 o'clock and 10 miles. There's still that gap, 1 o'clock and 10 miles, 4 miles wide. Just light to moderate precipitation in there.
Yeah, the current heading I'm at right now, I've got a nice little gap here, 4 Charlie, Charlie.
4 Charlie, Charlie, Roger, descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, 4 Charlie, Charlie.
Number 4 Charlie, Charlie, I'm showing an area of heavy precipitation at 12 o'clock and 1 mile, 3 miles in diameter. There's light precipitation, light to moderate at 2 o'clock and 3 miles. And edge of the precipitation is about a mile west of the airport now.
Yeah, 4 Charlie, Charlie, can we do a deviation maybe, call it 15 degrees to the south and maybe under, like for a left base for 27?
Number 4 Charlie, Charlie, proceed as requested. Turn deviations up to 30 degrees right approved.
All right, 30 degrees right approved, 524 Charlie, Charlie.
Number 1 Victor Papa, the area of light to moderate precipitation is 1 o'clock and 7 miles. I'll turn to the southeast here in about 4 or 5 miles.
Citation 1 Victor Papa, thank you.
A little bouncy. All right, where you at, boy? 4 miles off there.
And Cirrus 524 Charlie, Charlie, we have the field.
November 4 Charlie, Charlie, cleared visual approach, runway 27 left, contact Ponte Cairo 120.5.
Cleared the visual 27 left, 524 Charlie, Charlie, over to tower. Pontiac Tower, Cirrus 524 Charlie, Charlie, visual 27 left.
Cirrus 524 Charlie, Charlie, Pontiac Tower, wind 180 at 8, number 1, runway 27 left. Clear to land.
Clear to land, number 1, 27 left, 524 Charlie, Charlie.
Just in time.
Cirrus 4 Charlie Charlie, turn left at Charlie 7 and contact ground point 9er. Have a good day.
Left to Charlie 7, over to ground 4 Charlie Charlie.
Alright, probe heat off.